Ecash coin holder, what's going on this time, my friends? The Ecash coin price is increasing, so definitely it's really good news, my friend, for all Ecash coin holders. To this time the Ecash coin price is increasing. Definitely, my friend, when a price will pumping up, that all credit goes to holders, and when a holder are starting buying, then of course, my friends, the price will increasing. So this time, my friend, the Ecash condition is very good now, my friend, and 0.00020001 USD dollar is the current price, and my friend, 3.7% the price is increasing now, you can see here. And the BTC price, you can see, is 0.4% increasing, you can see here. So my friend, this time you can see here the 24-hour range. Oh my goodness, the lowest you can see, my friend. So you can see here the lowest as, my friend, 0.00019918, and the highest is 0.000119. Sorry, the lowest, as you can see, my friend, 0.00019134, and the highest is 0.00019918. So the market cap, you can see here 3 billion, and 24-hour trading volume, you can see here 91 billion, fully diluted market million, and fully diluted market, you can see here 4 billion. So circulating supply is 18 billion. Oh my goodness. Total supply, you can see 21 billion, max supply 21 billion. And my friend, if we check out the chart result, this is very important for all of you now. So last 24-hour I'm going to show you, my friend, but kindly order, please, if you are new my channel, now subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, this time you can see here this trading volume, you can see here, my friend, absolutely going very good now. But after, you can see here, after a short term, you can see here, so after a short term, just in all my friends say this, after this short term they will take a short pump, and after that you can see they will take a very huge pump. So therefore I will notify you, my friend, this term condition is also here now, my friends. So therefore they will moving a very shortly term, but they will take a very huge pump after a short term. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to when a coin were fails down, this does not mean to you are starting selling. A lot of holders are doing very huge mistake in there when they were starting selling. You know why? Because, my brother, when a coin were fails down, so this does not mean to you are starting selling. When a coin were fails down, so absolutely they were fails down for a short time. Absolutely, when a short term investor starting selling, then the coin is fails down. But when they are starting holding, my friends, so after a very short time they will completely go to the moon and get a very huge profit. So I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time Kesho will get a very huge profit. But for you need to, my friends, to hold on, holders hold down and don't starting selling. You can see here from last 1 hour they will get 2.0% profit, sorry, 2.0% profit, and 24-hour you can see a 3.2% profit. But in last 7 days, last 24-hour, last 14 days, last 30 days, they will fail us down. So don't worry, my friends. How do you feel about Ecash today? So I'm feeling good because today the price is increased. You can see it's 73% people are feeling very good now, my friends, because, my brother, the price is increasing. So when a price will increasing, then 100% the coin will moving upward. So thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and please subscribe our YouTube channel. I hope in upcoming time we will update you, we will guide you, we will give you a very good news. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope Ecash coin will give you a very good profit. Allah Hafiz, take care.